Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for particular Bitmojis on the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the search stickers bar at the top of the screen. You should type in a keyword that will help you to search for a particular Bitmoji that you are looking for. For example, I'm going to type in the word hello. If you scroll down, you can see all the results available to you. If you are interested in any of these, you can just simply tap on it, thereby being able to send it to your friends through or via Messenger, email, or iMessage, or whatever platform you are using. You can also use these options at the top of the screen. If you swipe to the right side of the screen, you can see all of them. If you are interested in using any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one and the results will appear to you at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.